Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to see your sent likes on Tinder. To do this it's very easy and simple. You have just to go to Tinder and after that go and click on likes, and after that, as you can see, there is here an option called likes sent. You have just to click on this option on the top and it will show you the likes that you sent on Tinder app. Of course, this option is only available for the premium accounts, so if you are using a free account, probably this option will not be shown to you. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and if you have any question, put it in the comment section, and see you in the next video.